Today, we are going to disclose how to make your hair grow naturally. In this video, we will discuss 3 natural ways to make hair grow faster. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start. Your hair is said to be your crowning glory, and it's normal to want to improve your hair if it's not to your satisfaction. If you're trying to regrow hair that you've lost or would simply like to improve the hair that you have, try some of these natural remedies. The proven benefits can help to stimulate growth and enhance the hair that you have. Number 1. Massage. Massaging the scalp can help to restore hair growth and can be used in conjunction with hair oils and masks. This stimulates the scalp and can improve hair thickness. Taking the time to massage your scalp each day can also help you relieve stress and tension. It's thought that stretching forces during the massage encourage hair growth and thickness in the dermal papilla cells. Number 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. You can also use shampoo and conditioner that contain aloe vera. Number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that penetrate inside the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from hair. Coconut oil can be used either before or after you wash your hair depending on your hair type. If your hair tends to be oily, you can do a leave-in treatment overnight or for a few hours before you wash it. Massage coconut oil into your scalp and all of your hair. If your hair is dry, you can also use it as a leave-in treatment. There needs to be more research on coconut oil as a promoter of hair growth, but it's been shown to improve the health and luster of hair and has been used for centuries. In our upcoming video, we will disclose the fastest home remedy for hair growth. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.